Hello students, how are you all? Good? Okay, very good. Now it's time for study. Okay, today we will learn vegetables name. What? Yes, vegetables name. Okay, vegetables that we eat daily. Okay, so we will learn the name of that vegetables. Okay, let's start learning. Before starting any name of vegetables, I want to tell you the benefits of vegetables. Okay, vegetables are very good for health. Okay, we should always eat vegetables. Okay, there are so many different types of vegetables, right? But we should always eat all the types of vegetables. Okay, because it give us protein. Okay, it make us our health very healthy. Okay, so we should always eat vegetables. Okay, now look, our first vegetable is cucumber. Okay, this is cucumber. We also call this vegetable as kheera or kakri. Okay, in Hindi we call kheera and kakri. Okay, kheera or kakri. But in English, the name of these vegetables is cucumber. Okay, now let's see the spelling of cucumber is Cucumber. 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 Okay, Cucumber. Cucumber. Okay, this is cucumber. This is cabbage. Cabbage. Okay, in Hindi we also call patta gobi. Okay, we call in Hindi patta gobi, but in English it is called cabbage. Okay, and the spelling of cabbage is CABBAGE. Cabbage. Now you also learn the spelling with me. Repeat the spelling with me. CABBAGE. Cabbage. Okay, this is cabbage. Now what is it? It is cauliflower. Okay, and what we call in Hindi, you all know, right? Yes, in Hindi we call full gobi. Okay, but in English we call cauliflower. Okay, cauliflower. Now let's learn the spelling of cauliflower. 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 Okay, CALIFLOWER. L O W E R, cauliflower. Now repeat after me. C A U L I F L O W E R, cauliflower. Okay, C A U L I F L O W E R, cauliflower. Okay, this is cauliflower. Now what is it? It is onion. Okay, O N I O N, onion. This is onion. Now what we call onion in Hindi? Yes, everyone know, right? We call pyaj in Hindi. Okay, O N I O N, onion. Repeat after me the spelling of onion. O N I O N, onion. Potato. Potato. It is potato. Okay, we all love potato, right? And we eat potato every day, right? In vegetables. So the spelling of potato is P O T A T O, potato. P O T A T O, potato. Repeat after me. P O T A T O, potato. P O T A T O, potato. Broccoli. It is broccoli. Okay, and the spelling of broccoli is B R O C C O L I, broccoli. B R O C C O L I, broccoli. Okay, it is broccoli. Our next vegetable is mushroom. Okay, it is mushroom. M U S H R O O M, mushroom. Okay, it is mushroom. And we call in Hindi, we call kum or gusi. Okay, kum or gusi in Hindi, but in English we call mushroom. Okay, and the spelling of mushroom is M U S H R O O M, mushroom. Repeat after me. M U S H R O O M, mushroom. Okay, it is capsicum. Okay, this vegetable we call capsicum, and we also call Simla mirch. Okay, capsicum we also call Simla mirch. Spelling of capsicum is C A P S I C U M, capsicum. C A P S I C U M, capsicum. Okay. Now repeat after me the spelling of capsicum. CAPSICUM, capsicum. Okay, CAPSICUM, capsicum. Now what is it? It is brinjal. Okay, it is brinjal. Brinjal we also call as bagan. Okay, brinjal we also call as bagan. Okay, bagan in Hindi and brinjal in English. Okay, so let's learn the spelling of brinjal. BRINJAL, brinjal. BRINJAL, brinjal. Now repeat after me the spelling of brinjal. BRINJAL, brinjal. Okay, BRINJAL, brinjal. BRINJAL, brinjal. Okay. Now it is bottle gourd. Okay, it is bottle gourd. Bottle gourd we also call as lauki. Okay, we call lauki in Hindi, but in English the name of this vegetable is bottle gourd. Okay, and the spelling of bottle gourd is BOTTLE, bottle gourd. GOURD, bottle gourd. Okay, BOTTLE, bottle gourd. GOURD, bottle gourd. Okay. Now repeat after me the spelling of bottle gourd. BOTTLE, bottle gourd. GOURD, bottle gourd. Okay. BOTTLE, bottle. GOURD, bottle gourd. Okay. Our next vegetable is ginger. Okay, it is ginger. Ginger we also call as adrak. Okay, now the spelling of ginger is GINGER, ginger. GINGER, ginger. Okay. Now repeat after me the spelling of ginger. GINGER, ginger. GINGER, ginger. GINGER, G-E-R, ginger. Garlic. Now it is garlic. And what we call garlic? Anyone know? Yes? Garlic we also call lahsun. Okay? We call lahsun in Hindi. But in English, this lahsun we call garlic. Okay? G-A-R-L-I-C. Garlic. G-A-R-L-I-C. Garlic. Now learn the spelling of garlic with me. Okay, so please repeat after me. Okay, the spelling of garlic. G-A-R-L-I-C. Garlic. G-A-R-L-I-C. Garlic. G-A-R-L-I-C. Garlic. Now it is spinach. Okay? Spinach. S-P-I-N-A-C-H. Spinach. S-P-I-N-A-C-H. Spinach. Spinach we call as palak. Okay? In Hindi we call palak. Okay? But in English we call spinach. Okay? Now repeat after me the spelling of spinach. S-P-I-N-A-C-H. Spinach. S-P-I-N-A-C-H. Spinach. S-P-I-N-A-C-H. Spinach. It is turnip. Okay? This vegetable, the name of this vegetable is turnip. What? Turnip. Okay? And the spelling of turnip is T-U-R-N-I-P. T-U-R-N-I-P. Okay? Turnip. Repeat after me the spelling of turnip. T-U-R-N-I-P. Turnip. T-U-R N-I-P. Nip. Turnip. Now, what is it? It is radish. Okay? The vegetable, this vegetable we call radish. Okay? This is radish. R-A-D-I-S-H. Radish. R-A-D-I-S-H. Radish. Now repeat after me the spelling of radish. R-A-D-I-S-H. R-A-D-I-S-H. Radish. R-A-D-I-S-H. Radish. Okay? It is mint. Okay? M-I-N-T. Mint. M-I-N-T. mint. And this mint we call pudina. Okay, we call pudina in Hindi. Okay, but in English we call as mint. What we call? Mint. M-I-N-T. Mint. Repeat after me the spelling of mint. M-I-N-T. Mint. M-I-N-T. Mint. M-I-N-T. Mint. Okay. Lemon. It is lemon. The spelling of lemon is L-E-M-O-N. L-E-M-O-N. Lemon. L-E-M-O-N. Lemon. And what we call lemon in Hindi? Yes, you all know? Yes, we call nimbu in Hindi. Okay, but in English we call lemon. So you have to learn the spelling of lemon. So what should you have to do? You have to repeat the spelling with me. To learn the spelling of lemon, you have to repeat after me. Okay? L-E-M-O-N. Lemon. Okay? L-E-M-O-N. Lemon. Sweet potato. Sweet potato. Now it is sweet potato. And the spelling of sweet potato is S-W-E-E-T-P-O-T-A-T-O. Potato. Sweet potato. And this sweet potato we call as sakarkand or ratalu. Okay. In Hindi, this sweet potato we call as sakarkand or ratalu. Okay. But in English we call sweet potato. S-W-E-E-T. Sweet potato. P-O-T-A-T-O. Sweet potato. Repeat after me the spelling of sweet potato. S-W-E-E-T. Sweet. P-O-T-A-T-O. Potato. Sweet potato. Okay. It is gooseberry. Okay. Gooseberry. G-O-O-S-E-B-E-R-R-Y. Gooseberry. G-O-O-S-E-B-E-R-R-Y. Gooseberry. This gooseberry we call as amla. Okay, we call gooseberry amla in Hindi. Okay. Now let's learn the spelling of gooseberry. G-O-O-S-E-B-E-R-R-Y. E B E R R Y. Gooseberry. Repeat after me the spelling of gooseberry. G O O S E B E R R Y. Gooseberry. Colocasia roots. It is colocasia roots. Okay. In Hindi we call Arabi. Okay. Arabi. The name of this Arabi in English colocasia roots. We call colocasia roots in English. Okay. So let's learn the spelling of colocasia roots. C O L O C A S I A. Colocasia roots. R O O T S. C O L O C A S I A. Colocasia roots. R O O T S. Colocasia roots. Now repeat after me the spelling of colocasia root. C O L O C A S I A. Colocasia roots. R O O T S. Roots. C O L O C A S I A. Colocasia roots. R O O T S. Roots. Beetroot. Now it is beetroot. B E E T R O O T. Beetroot. And what we call in Hindi this beetroot? We call chukundar in Hindi. Okay. This beetroot we call as chukandar in Hindi. Okay. Now the spelling of beetroot is B E E T R O O T. Beetroot. B E E T R O O T. Beetroot. Now what is it? Yes, it is coriander leaf. And what we call? Dhania ka patta. Okay, dhania patta in Hindi, but in English we call as coriander leaves. Okay, coriander leaves. And the spelling of coriander leaves is C O R I A N D E R. Coriander leaves. L E A V E S. Coriander leaves. C O R I A N D E R. Coriander leaves. Now repeat after me the spelling of coriander leaves. C O R I A N D E R. Coriander leaves. L E A V E S. Coriander leaves. Okay. Now we have learned so many vegetables name. Okay. Today we have learned so many vegetables name. Now let's revise all the vegetables name that we learned today. Okay. Let's revise. Our first vegetable was cucumber. Okay. Cucumber, cabbage, cauliflower, onion, potato, broccoli, mushroom, capsicum, brinjal, bottle gourd, beetroot, ginger, garlic, spinach, turnip, radish, mint, lemon, sweet potato, gooseberry, colocasia roots and coriander leaves. Okay. Today we have learned 22 vegetables name. Okay. We have learned how many? Yes, 22 vegetables name. Now let's revise with the spelling. Okay. Let's revise the name of these vegetables with the spelling. Okay. Now our first vegetable is cucumber, and the spelling of cucumber is C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R. Cucumber. Repeat after me the spelling of cucumber. C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R. Cucumber. Next is cabbage. C-A-B-B-A-G-E. Cabbage. Repeat after me. C-A-B-B-A-G-E. Cabbage. Now after cabbage, the next vegetable is cauliflower. C-A-U-L-I-F-L-O-W-E-R. Cauliflower. C-A-U-L-I-F-L-O-W-E-R. Cauliflower. Now next is onion. O-N-I-O-N. Onion. O-N-I-O-N. Onion. O-N-I-O-N. Onion. Potato. P-O-T-A-T-O. Potato. Repeat after me the spelling of potato. P-O-T-A-T-O. Potato. Our next vegetable after potato is broccoli. B-R-O-C-C-O-L-I. Broccoli. B-R-O-C-C-O-L-I. Broccoli. Okay. Now the next vegetable is mushroom. Mushroom. M-U-S-H-R-O-O-M. Mushroom. M-U-S-H-R-O-O-M. Mushroom. Now next is capsicum. C-A-P-S-I-C-U-M. Capsicum. Brinjal. B-R-I-N-J-A-L. Brinjal. brinjal, 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 brinjal. Next is bottle guard, bottle, bottle guard, gourd, guard, bottle guard. Next is beetroots, 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 beet, roots, roots, beetroots. Next is ginger, 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 ginger. After ginger, next is garlic, 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 garlic. Spinach, 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 spinach. Turnip, 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 turnip. Radish, 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 radish. Now after radish, the next is mint, 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 mint. Next is lemon, lemon, lemon. Sweet potato, sweet potato, sweet potato, sweet, potato, sweet potato. Next is gooseberry, gooseberry, gooseberry. Now next is colocasia roots, colocasia roots, roots, colocasia roots. Now the last one is coriander leaves, coriander leaves, coriander leaf. Now we have learned 22 vegetables name. Okay, you all learned, right? 22 vegetables name. Okay, so please don't forget the name of these vegetables. Okay.
Vegetables.
Cucumber, cucumber. Broccoli, broccoli. cabbage, cabbage,
artichoke, artichoke,
cauliflower, cauliflower,
lettuce, lettuce, asparagus, asparagus, peas, peas,
spinach, spinach,
leek, leek,
peppers, peppers,
zucchini, zucchini,
courgette, courgette,
pumpkin, pumpkin,
Brussels sprout, Brussels sprout,
carrots, carrots,
onion, onion,
potatoes, potatoes,
chili pepper, chili pepper,
corn, corn,
radish, radish,
beet, beet, eggplant, eggplant,
aubergine, aubergine,
turnip, turnip,
sweet potato, sweet potato,
mushroom, mushroom, garlic, garlic, beans, beans, peas, peas, eggplant, eggplant, lettuce, lettuce, cabbage, cabbage,
Peppers. Peppers.
Radish. Radish.
Garlic. Garlic. Pumpkin. Pumpkin.
Leek. Leek. Spinach. Spinach.
Broccoli. Broccoli.
Cucumber. Cucumber.
Mushroom. Mushroom.
Zucchini. Zucchini.
Asparagus. Asparagus. Corn. Corn. Artichoke. Artichoke.
Chili pepper. Chili pepper.
Potatoes. Potatoes.
Onion. Onion.
Sweet potato. Sweet potato.
Cauliflower. Cauliflower.
Beans. Beans.
Carrots. Carrots.
Turnip. Turnip.
Brussels sprout.